In relation to food display and service at New South Wales offset sports sites, then it is important that all potentially hazardous hot food are kept and displayed at 60 degrees or above, with all cold potentially hazardous foods being displayed at a temperature of 5 degrees Celsius or below. Once food has been displayed for a breakfast, lunch or dinner service and not consumed, those products are to be disposed of and not reused. Foods on display for service should be protected from the client from contamination, and this could include covering or adequate sneeze guards. Each food should be individually labelled with its name for identification. There should be individual serving utensils for each food item. There should be a sign that states that if you have any food allergies, please let one of our staff know. Items such as apple and pears should either be provided on request or stored in a container with suitable tongs under refrigeration so they are protected from any further contamination.